This is Canyoneering in Badian, Cebu. You start your adventure at the top of the river, making your way downstream by swimming, sliding, hiking, and jumping. So much jumping! Does all this cliff jumping have you hungry? Don't even worry about it. There's a traditional Filipino hot dog stand.
So we've got barbecue right in the middle of all of the cliff jumps.
The river eventually comes to an end, flowing into one of the most iconic waterfalls in the Philippines, Kawasan Falls. The waterfall is absolutely magical. You can swim around, or you can jump on a bamboo raft and get a waterfall massage. Kawasan Falls is nothing short of an adventure seeker's dream. You guys have got to check it out.
You guys so good.